guys, so I'm giving my son his first driving lessons. What, go over a little bit. When I go some, I feel like I got little people in car. Giving my son his first driving lessons. He actually had a professional lesson today with a driving instructor. Why you go so? You had to go around there so? With a driving instructor. So I was not there, so I'm just basically having him driving around our complex to see how well he does. Pretty much so far he's not take your time, he's not doing bad so far, except I feel like he is going too much. I'm to explain it, like him not staying in lane properly. Which way you go? Go back so. Remember, say care about this one. When you lock too tight. Remember, saying a park, so you need to lock it so tight. I remember, yeah, this is not Jamaica, so you stay up on the right side of the road. So yeah, when you go back, get up on the other side, right, same way. You want to go this up and turn back. So I'm actually proud of him, to be honest. He's doing good so far. What happened? Yeah. Oh, I must stop at the stop sign. You know more than me. I pay attention more than me. Alright then. Take time over the drive him. Big driver. Make sure you watch if not now come and stay on your side. Hey. Alrighty. I mean, what happened? He's not doing too bad so far. I mean, for the first day. Put on your indicator and go so. His brakes. You're up on the right, so stay over this side now. And you're gone too far in the road, so if somebody else don't come here in them way. Yeah, go on. But you do good so far for your first day. I'm just scared, guys, because it's a complex, so it's not a big enough. Well, the space is big, but not big enough for him to actually can like make mistakes and stuff, because you have to be looking out for who's coming and stuff like that. And I can't afford to lick nobody car because I can't afford it, or lick my brand new car. But him do good so far. Now go straight down. For a beginner, he's doing good so far, so that's good. So clearly with a few more lessons he'll be fine, because he has a few more lessons with the professional driver. So maybe I'll step out of the car for a minute in another part of the video and actually have him drive, so I can show you guys what's going on from the outside. Maybe. Because I'm nervous. Alright guys, so now I'm videoing him driving from outside of the car. Go on, to see how he does, because honestly it made me nervous. It made me nervous, but I guess I have to trust him enough. But it's just the first day anyways, so I'm kind of scared. I'm gonna want him to mash up my car or lick nobody car. I can't deal with all of that. But him not going too bad, but I'm just nervous. You know what I mean? Show off. What you know now? Alright, so he did his first turn just now. Oh, I keep zoom up. And he's going back around pretty much again. Guys, I'm nervous. I'm nervous bad. I'm not gonna let him do any parking or reversing or anything like that, because like I said, it's his first day. It's his first day of me showing him what to do, and also today he had his first professional lesson also. So he came home and now I'm giving him a little drive as well and whatever. How are you feeling? One more. and watch him a drive fast. I'm gonna tell him say don't go too fast. I'm thinking I'm a big driver now, you know. But when him turn and come back this time, I'm going home. Because I don't want to overdo it. Him just a learn and I don't want to do too much. So it's a big parking lot, guys, but people are on the other side. So I don't want him to go up on the other side. I'll let nobody care. So that's it for now. Drive, I know that I'm more than 10 miles per hour. I'm not laugh with you, you know. I'm not laugh with you. Watch him face. I'm not laugh. You're not done. Go on one more time. So, kill him dead. I'm a big driver now, you know, people. Ah, boy. I used to work over there, by the way, guys. I used to work over by that senior living place over there. And this is the parking lot in front of the, across the road from the place there. And I live like about 5 minutes from here. I'll show you guys when we're going home. This is the last lap and we are done. Alright, we are finished. Watch out, I'm thinking cool, you know. We are done. Stop drive. Alright guys, so we're pretty much going back home. I gave him a couple minutes lessons. Like I said, he had a professional lesson done today. That was his first one, so I feel like he did pretty okay. Like I said, I'm kind of nervous, so I don't want to have him out here when there's too much people on the street or anything like that. So we're heading back home now, and I am pretty much just showing you guys a little tour of the area as we go home. Okay. So when he gets his second lesson, are the right way, may I go? At the exit this?
Yeah.
Or just the entrance?
At the exit this.
So when he gets his second lesson, we'll do this again. And I'll share with you guys. I'll share with you guys when that time comes. So we are heading home, which is not far from here, so enjoy the ride, guys. How do you feel? You want me to drive more? Where you in on? No, I don't know. Really? Why? You don't want to be outside driving?
Do enough today.
Really? You want to drive more? You just don't want me to tell you what to do.
Do enough today. But they out up on the road for over 2 hours now.
Not that long. That's not so long, but you're going good still. So by the second or the third lesson, you'll be fine. I'm too nervous to be the one for sure. You. But I'm just showing you a little of my suburb, guys. I live in a suburban area. As you can see, a lot of bushes and stuff like that, but I enjoy it. I like the peace and quiet, so I don't mind. I hate the hustle and the bustle and the city life. I'm not a city girl. I'm a country girl. This is peace for me and I enjoy that. So sit back, relax, and buckle y'all seatbelts. We're almost home. You like the country? Or you like like the quietness? Or you like, you think you got more like the city?
You know, your mother asked me that one time. I tell her,
Yeah, like it
a
just
place
comes to the
with
mind.
nice.
You like place with nice?
Yeah, I like looking nice.
You like place with nice?
Too
You
quiet
want-
and sit with me, bro.
No, Jaim. Because, alright, how I look at it is like, you know, like you go to work, you have to deal with the hustle and bustle and cars and noise and people and everything. So I feel like when you go home, you should go home to peace and quiet. You don't want to go to work in a nice and hustle and bustle and go back home in the same thing. So for me, I love the quietness because, yeah, it balances.
What does that mean, too?
You know, I feel like it balances. But you used to quietness. We mostly live, ever since we moved here, you have, all of the places where you live is quietness. Has been quiet. So is it that, are you tired of the quietness?
No, I just say, like when looking nice, the world.
So you're tired of the quietness?
I'm not saying I'm tired of quietness, nothing wrong with
No,
quietness.
because, no, you
say
say you like when liquor nice. Oh, well, yeah, nothing wrong with the quietness. You say you like when liquor nice. So I say there's no nice where we are. So that's why I'm going to say if you're tired of the quietness. You know? But that's fine though, to each his own. Like I said, some people love the city life. I don't. I feel like you should go out, work, and all the nice and hustle and bustle and whatever, and then you come home to a quiet life. That's how I look at things. So everybody's different though. You have some people, they could never do this. Like them off live a city life where them see people and care every minute and every day, all day. I cannot. Maybe through me have anxiety. I have to have a little peace. A little peace. We got the entrance. We're driving. We're almost there. I'm gonna show you guys what's popping. All right, nothing is coming, so we can go inside. Welcome to home, guys. See how beautiful that is? Show them the place. Welcome. It says welcome home. Huh? How cute. How cute. It's nice to, you know, live. Like I said, this is what I enjoy. I don't know about anybody else. Jamie, can you check the mailbox, please, when you finish? This is what I enjoy. This is the piece that you can buy. You know how they said this is the piece that you cannot buy? This is the piece that you can pay for. Peace and quiet. All right, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great rest of your evening. Bye bye.